you're back on Braden's Kitchen, and today we're making zebra cookies. I got this recipe from my overnight camp, Bieber, and I call them zebra cookies because the cookies are brownish black from the chocolate, and there's white on it from the confectioner sugar. So let's go over the ingredients and we can get started. You're going to need your flour mixture, which includes your cocoa, unsweetened cocoa powder, flour, and baking powder. You're going to need some eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, vegetable oil, confectioner sugar, but some people call it powdered sugar, and your mixing bowl. So you're going to start by combining your wet ingredients. So you're going to add your eggs, and your sugar, your vegetable oil, and some vanilla extract. But just keep in mind that the confectioner sugar does not go in the cookies. That step comes later. So alright, I just mixed it and now they're well combined. So I'm going to add my dry ingredients. So I'm going to mix this until it gets to be a very brown color. Alright, I mixed this until it got well combined. But now I'm using my spatula to scrape the flour off the side of the bowl because you don't want that in your cookies. It needs to be well combined. So I'm scraping the side of the bowl. And then it's supposed to be very thick, so don't think that you did something wrong when it comes out thick. So what you're going to do is, once you're done, you're going to make sure your hands are washed because you're going to, first of all, you're going to spray your greaser pan. And then you're going to dip your fingers in the confectioner sugar. So that way the cookies don't stick to your hands like this. Then you're going to take your cookies like this. Oh my god, this is not what I expected. And you're going to dip them in your confectioner sugar and place them on your pan. Alright, I dipped the cookies in the powdered sugar, and then I put them on my cookie sheet, and I have about 24 cookies. So now I'm going to put them in the oven, and they're going to look completely different when they come out. Alright, I had my cookies in the oven for a good 16 minutes, and then I let them cool completely, and now I'm ready to try one. So, here I go. They are delicious. It is so good. The chocolate makes it really rich, and the powdered sugar adds a good touch to it. So anyway, get in your kitchen and start making this. See you next time. Bye.